Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 13th, and I want to show you all my trades. So Friday I didn't do a recap, but Friday I was up $11. Nothing major. It was a choppy day, but it's kind of expected on a Friday. It's a hit or a miss. So anyway, so let's go over today's trades. It's like any other day. I come to my desk and I pull up the gap scanner, and we see the stocks that are gapping up in the market, and that's how I make my watch list, right? So ECOR I was watching, EQ I was not watching because I don't trade stocks that expensive. Same thing with NETE. So I was watching NBY, BOXL, OSS, SPAQ had a maybe, but it was still a bit expensive, so I didn't watch it. DLPN, and UAVS as well. So yeah, so let me go ahead and show you my. So as you can see here on this side right here, I'm up $254 on the day. I did overtrade today. It was a bit choppy. A lot of times we didn't have follow through, but it was cool, not bad. So pretty much the key things I want to show you today was SAVA, where I actually was up $413, but OSS and ECOR I had two losses on, so I want to show you those as well. So let's go over ECOR first. So ECOR, let's pull it up actually over here. Let's pull it up here. So ECOR, let me come back, move this back. So yeah, ECOR, I try to get in for the break of this VWAP, and I got in and made some profit, and I sold half of my position. But on this flush, this happened so fast that it was just hard to react, right? So this is where actually I took some loss, or if anything, gave away my profits. So that was that, and I think I took some losses around here too, thinking it might reclaim VWAP, but it didn't happen. And then I had one trade around this area right here for the break of this inflection point for 250, since $0.50 is also a resistance psychological level. So that didn't happen, so took a loss there as well. And the whole day pretty much has been tanking. I tried to reclaim VWAP here, but it failed. So the next one I want to show you SAVA, which was a good trade. This is what kind of saved me, you can say. Let's see. So SAVA, I got in for the break of 4. So I got in for the break of 4 right here. So this had failed, so I got out, and then when it came back up again, and I got in once I started holding VWAP, so I got in around this area. When it broke, I got in around like 395, just a little bit earlier, and then I saw this push back up, and then I sold it, and then I got in again, I believe, for the break of 405 ish, which is around this area. And I got in for the break of 405, and then I sold some on the way up. And I think I pretty much sold around like 440s at the highest, which was very good. And then it sold off the rest of the day. So this was, wasn't on my watch initially, but I saw this had good volume and good daily chart. So that was that. And then the next one I want to show you was let's see, OSS was the other one I want to show you. So let's pull that up. OSS, this one was kind of funny. Let me see where I took the trades on this one mainly. Let's go back to positions. orders OSS. So let's go to OSS. Yeah, so OSS, 292 I got in and then got out at 287. Yeah. OSS 292. All right, so let's go back to OSS. So I got in at 292, which was around this area. I was looking for a break of high of day because it seemed like there's resistance. So I was expecting this to come up, but that didn't happen. So, I lost on this flush right here. So yeah, these were the most valuable trades that I wanted to show you guys. Other than that, today was not bad. And let me go back here. And I, finished up the day pretty good. NBY, I had some trades on. Let me see if I can find something valuable for you guys. NBY actually had some decent trades. Yeah, NBI I got in, for I think I had a few positions. One was for reclaiming the VWAP, and then one was for the break of this high of day. As you can see, it tried to break over here and also in the pre-market. So that was a good trade as well. So yeah, today not bad overall. I had a few bad trades that actually put me in the hole, but I also had a few good trades that took me out of the hole and made me positive. So once again, I'm up, 256 or something like that. Let's see, 254. So yeah, not bad. Hopefully you guys are green as well. Make sure to subscribe and like, so that tells me you guys want to watch more of these videos so I can keep making them. And also, also join my Twitter following as well, so that way you see my watch list as well. I post that there every day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.